Good morning. So this morning we are going to talk about countables and uncountable nouns, okay? Since you're at home, you might have some things at home that you can, guess and ask yourself, what is countable? What is uncountable? So I put out actually some of them and I'm gonna show you. We have rice, pasta, penny, beans, sugar, flour, onions, bread, eggs, milk, juice, coffee, cheese, butter, and ham. Okay, so now, how do we count all of this? These are all uncountable nouns. And how do we count them? We have measurements to count them. If we just talk about them, it's uncountable. But once we're gonna measure them, they're gonna turn out to be countables. So rice is uncountable. But if you say, I am going to buy 1 kilo of rice, it becomes countable. Pasta, the same way, it's uncountable. But if I say I'm gonna buy 500 kilograms, or if I'm gonna buy a box of pasta, is countable. Beans, the same way, you don't count each one of them. You count the kilograms, 1 kilogram of beans. Sugar, the same way, right? You count 1 kilogram, or you say sugar, because sugar is uncountable. You don't say a sugar, because it's uncountable. Flour, the same way. If you just talk about flour, it's uncountable. But if you use a measurement cup or a teaspoon, you can say I want to use teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, or you can use cups, or you can use measuring cups. For example, I can use, this measurement cup, which is 1/3 of a cup. You can use this. It will turn out to be countable. Onions, for example, you can count 1 onion, 2 onions, 3 onions, but once they are in a jar, you can count the jar and say 1 jar of onions. Bread, you say bread as uncountable, but then if you're gonna count, you're gonna say loaf of bread. Eggs, you have 1 egg, 2 eggs, or you can say carton of eggs. Milk is uncountable, juice is uncountable. But when you're gonna buy it, or you're gonna turn out to be countable, you say, I wanna buy 1 liter of milk, I wanna buy 1 liter of juice, and then it will turn out to be countable. Cheese is the same way. Would you like some cheese? Yes, no. But if you say a slice of cheese, then it's countable, only 1 slice. Butter, the same way, is uncountable. Once you're gonna cut in pieces, or you're gonna use a spoon or a teaspoon, it will become countable. Ham, the same way. Ham is uncountable, but once you're gonna use 1 slice only, it will turn out to be countable, okay? When we're gonna use some and any. So, when you're gonna offer, would you like some coffee? Would you like some sugar? Would you like some bread? Then we use some, because you are offering. Usually, some is for affirmative, for countable and uncountable. Affirmative, and any used for questions and negative. So, I don't want any sugar. I don't want any bread. Negative. And some you use for affirmative, and when you want to make a question offering something. Would you like some beans? Would you like some coffee? Okay? For example, fruits, we count each one, sometimes 1 kiwi, 2 kiwis, or you say a kilo of kiwi. Lemons, you can count each one of them, or you can say I want to buy 1 kilo of or 20 grams, or you can use the measurement to measure how much do you want to buy. Banana, you can say 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, or you can buy 100 grams of banana. You measure it. Okay, so that is it for now. And if you have any questions, please contact us. Bye bye.